Welcome to my channel, especially to this video where I am sharing with you my night and bedtime routine. Today is one of those days that I've just back from the work and I want to share with you before going to bed what are the things I'm doing to take care of my skin, my body, and what basically I do before heading to bed. The steps that I'm going to show you are really good and healthy routine for the bedtime, which if you do, it's going to impact your lifestyle and health a lot. First of all, I cleanse my skin because this step is a little bit longer than the other steps, so I just do that first. Usually for those days that I have more makeup on my face, I use cleansing oil for deep cleansing my skin. This is a Korean deep cleansing light oil which does not clog your pores, is good for all skin type including oily skin, and it just works wonder because it's got the black rice extract in it, and you know that how much rice is good for the skin. I highly recommend this oil for deep cleansing the skin. All the products that I'm using, everything that you see in this video, it's available in the description box of this video as well as the first comment that you can go and get it for yourself. Then I use a makeup wipe and I remove the oil from my face. I usually do not apply this oil over my eyes. To clean my eyes, the first step I use the Milky Water cleansing makeup remover. I just drizzle a little bit on wipes and I put it over my eyes. I let it soak for a few seconds and then I just remove it without being harsh to my eyes, and it will clean the eyes very well. Then I go and brush my teeth. I'm using this fluoride-free toothpaste, which is really amazing. It had really good feedback and I tried it and I really love it. It's so refreshing despite not having any fluoride, and I'm using this and I'm really happy with it. Then I go for the next step of cleansing my face, which I'm using a marshmallow foam maker. This little tool, it's really amazing because with just a little bit of water and just one drop of your face cleansing gel or whatever you're using, it creates lots of foam, which is more than enough for all over your face, and it makes your face wash to last much longer. After I dry my face with the towel that I always put aside for my face and it's separate from all the other towels, I just use tapping motion to dry my face. I never drag the towel over the face because it's not good for the face and it can scratch your skin. Then I see if there is any makeup residue left around my eyes. I just go ahead and use the normal makeup remover milk and I remove that. Then I go ahead and use the vitamin C infused cleansing water and I cleanse my face to remove any leftover of pollution and residue. As you can see, there was just a little bit of residue left on your skin, and that is my double cleansing. This is my beauty fridge, which is really handy, really something that I need because I am also making some homemade natural skincare and toners which need to be kept refrigerated, and also some things that I need to use on my face cold. So this fridge can keep cold and hot and it has dual options. These are my eye wash cup, which I am almost every other night wash my eyes with eye wash. So many people, they ignore this step. They never wash inside their eyes, which is really important and necessary to just refresh your eyes. Especially if you are using the contact lenses, it's really important that you should always wash inside your eyes. This is my fermented rice water that I made myself. I am applying this every other night to my face. You know how much rice water is good for the skin and keeping it young. Let me know if you want me to upload a video on how to make a proper fermented rice water. Then I use the Healing Post-Treatment Scar Cream, which repairs any scar or if you have any burn mark on your skin. I'm using this cream for my surgery scar every morning and every night. Then I use the concentrated black rice extract toner. I apply all over my face and I massage it until it's completely absorbed to my face. Over that, I am using the Snail Mucin very powerful concentrated serum, which is really viral. Everybody that used this says that they could really feel the visible changes on the skin in terms of keeping it smooth and rejuvenated. It can really keep your skin firm and lifted. I totally recommend this mucin serum to have it. No snail were hurt on making this mucin. It is basically taken from the secretion that is being produced by the snail, so you can use it with no guilt. And in the last step, I use double barrier cream over my face. This cream is good also for sensitive skin and it just blocks all the free radical and environmental pollution to get into your skin pores. You know, the free radicals in the environment, they cause your skin to age much faster. So this cream will block that. After my skin routine, I eat my supplement. There are some supplements that I eat them before bedtime. Those are my glucosamine, which is really important for women for their joints and bones, and they should use it. The other one is biotin, which is really good to accelerate the growth of your nail hair, and it's good for your skin. And the other one is the fiber tablet, which I am using it on a daily basis. It accelerates my daily metabolism rate, and it's really make your gut feel good. Then I brush my hair, and in order to not to mess my hair while I'm sleeping, I always use the hair bonnet. This bonnet makes wonders on my hair. It just turns my hair so silky in the morning when I wake up without any mess to a beautiful silky hair which look like it just came from the salon. Especially if you style your hair and you do not want to mess while you're sleeping, just put on a hair bonnet, and in the morning it is as it is. I totally recommend every woman has to use this. Then before heading to my bed, I always brush my body. Yes, you heard it right. Brushing your body is one of the most important things which keeps you healthy. It removes the dead skin cells and also cellulite from your body. It unclogs the pores. It leaves the skin so soft, and it accelerates the blood circulation under your skin, which is give you a pleasant feeling. And most importantly, it's amazing for stimulation of your lymphatic system and lymphatic nodes. I use two brushes, one for my body and another one for my back. And last, I use my own handmade body butter. I apply on my hands, which I leave the video of this body butter, how to make it, on the description box. You can make it for yourself. And that would be it for my night routine. Don't forget, all the links of everything I used in this video is at the first comment and the description box of the video.
You're giving me wind